Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to transfer files between your Windows PC and in the MacBook. Okay, so if you want to transfer the files from MacBook to Windows or Windows to Mac, so this video is only for you. Watch this video till and very carefully. Don't miss any option, any method. So let's get started. So for this guys, you need to install only one simple tool on your both PC. Okay, so first we will install the software on our Windows PC. So just open any web browser on your Windows PC, and here you need to search in the Google blip file transfer and open the first link like this. Okay, so even if you're not connected with the same Wi-Fi network, so you can easily transfer the files between MacBook and Windows PC. So I am using Windows 11. After opening this official website, and here you can get the download option, just click on it. Okay, and from here you need to select Windows. Just click on it, select your file location. I will select desktop and then click on save. That's it. Now it will downloading. So as you can see guys, I have successfully downloaded it on my Windows 11. So just double click on that setup file, and now you need to install it. So just click on install. While it was installing, downloading, so till then we will download the application on our MacBook. So just open any web browser on your MacBook. Same thing, in the Google you need to search blip file transfer and open the first link and go to the download section and select the Mac download from here. Okay, after this guys, close your web browser. So I have already downloaded in my Mac, as you can see guys. So this is the setup file. So just double click and open that setup file. It will quickly install it on your MacBook. So now you need to double click and open that shortcut created file. First time it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Just sign in. So now I will show you my Wi-Fi network. So I have not connected my both PC with the same Wi-Fi network. So the Wi-Fi was connected different on MacBook, and in my Windows PC, as you can see guys, the Wi-Fi network was connected on different network. As you can see guys, this is my Windows PC and this is my MacBook. Okay, got it? So now I want to transfer one file from my Windows PC to my MacBook. So first time it will ask you to sign in. So just click on sign in button and sign in with your Google account. Remember one thing guys, you need to use same Google account for your Windows PC and for your MacBook. So only thing you need to remember. Let's move to the next step. So one code was sent to our registered email address. So just open your email address and enter that code here. So when you enter your code, so now you good to go. So just click on done. So in my desktop I have some file. Now I want to send from my Windows PC to my MacBook. So let's see how it's work. Now when you want to send any file, so just open your blip file transfer app on your PC. Just simply drag and drop it. Just select your MacBook name. So my MacBook name is showing here, admin MacBook. So same I have connected with my Android phone also. So I want to send it to MacBook. So just select the MacBook and simply click on send file. Okay, select your file which you want to send. For example, I have selected this file and then click on open. That's it. So quickly it will show the pop-up on your MacBook. So just accept the pop-up message and it will quickly transfer our file. As you can see guys, I have sent this file in my Mac from my Windows PC to MacBook successfully, as you can see guys. Now if you want to send any file from MacBook to your Windows PC, now what you need to do, you need to follow this step. I want to send this file. So just select your file, click on three dots, and here you can get the option blip. So just you need to select the blip from here, and here you need to select your PC name. So my PC name is Vostro. So it will quickly transfer that file to my Windows PC. As you can see guys, the file was now transferring. So this is the PPT file, so it will taking some time, as you can see guys in my screen. This is the very easy and very simple method to quickly transfer the files between Windows and MacBook. Even if you don't connected with the same Wi-Fi network, at that time you can also able to transfer this file. Okay, so that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.